Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hey James. It's been ages since we caught up. How about we spend the day at our favorite cafe?
Hey Rachel. That sounds like a plan. I've missed our coffee dates. What have you been up to lately?
Oh, the usual grind at work. But I've been trying to make time for hobbies too. I started learning how to paint.
That's awesome. I'd love to see some of your work sometime. I've been trying to get back into playing guitar. It's been ages since I picked it up.
You should definitely bring it along. We could have our own little jam session at the cafe. So, have you been watching any good TV shows lately?
Actually, yes. I just finished binge-watching this new drama series. It had me hooked from the first episode.
Sounds intriguing. What's it about?
It's about a group of friends navigating life in the city. There's drama, romance, and plenty of twists and turns.
Count me in. I love a good drama. Maybe we can watch it together sometime.
Definitely. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really, just going to relax and catch up on some reading. Maybe take a long walk in the park if the weather's nice. How about you?
I'm thinking of going hiking with a few friends. It'll be a nice break from the city hustle.
That sounds refreshing. I might join you if I can muster up the energy.
You're always welcome to join us, Rachel. So, have you tried any new foods lately?
Actually, yes. I went to this new sushi place downtown, and it was amazing. You should definitely check it out.
I love sushi. I'll make a note to visit that place soon. By the way, have you heard about the new bookstore that opened up?
Yes, I have. I've been meaning to check it out. Maybe we could go together and browse for some new reads.
That sounds like a plan. I'm always on the lookout for new books to add to my collection. So, what do you feel like doing now?
How about we order some coffee and pastries and just chat for a while? I've missed our long conversations.
Sounds perfect. Let's make ourselves comfortable and catch up on everything we've missed.
Hey Liam. It's such a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Hey Emma. Yeah, the weather is perfect. What do you want to do today?
I was thinking we could spend the day in the park. Maybe have a picnic and just relax.
Sounds like a great idea. I'll bring some snacks, and you can bring a blanket. What do you think?
Perfect. I'll also bring some drinks. It'll be nice to just sit back and enjoy nature.
Definitely. So, how have you been lately? Anything new and exciting happening in your life?
Not much, just the usual. Work has been keeping me busy, but I've been trying to make time for hobbies and relaxation. How about you?
Yeah, work's been hectic for me too. But I've been trying to balance it out with some exercise and quality time with friends.
That's good. It's important to take care of yourself, especially when things get stressful. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really, just going to take it easy. Maybe catch up on some reading and watch a movie or two. What about you?
I might go for a hike on Saturday and then have dinner with some friends on Sunday. Nothing too crazy.
Sounds like a nice weekend. Hey, have you seen any good movies lately?
Actually, yes. I watched this really interesting documentary about space exploration. It was mind-blowing.
Wow, that sounds fascinating. I'll have to check it out. I've been in the mood for something thought-provoking lately.
You should. It's called The Explorer's Journey to the Unknown. Let me know what you think after you watch it.
Will do. So, have you been keeping up with your New Year's resolutions?
Sort of. I've been trying to eat healthier and exercise more, but it's been a bit of a challenge with my busy schedule. How about you?
Same here. I've been trying to cut down on junk food and get into a more consistent workout routine. It's tough, but I'm making progress.
That's great to hear. We can keep each other motivated and accountable.
Definitely. So, what do you think about the upcoming holidays? Any plans?
I haven't really thought about it yet. Maybe I'll visit my family or plan a short getaway. How about you?
I'm thinking of going skiing with some friends. It'll be a nice change of scenery and a chance to try something new.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I've always wanted to try skiing, but I'm a bit afraid of falling.
Don't worry, I'll teach you. It's all about finding your balance and taking it slow.
Thanks, Liam. That's really sweet of you. I might take you up on that offer.
Anytime, Emma. So, what do you feel like doing now? Want to go for a walk around the park?
Sure, that sounds nice. Let's pack up our picnic and explore.
Great. Let's go.